Hey everyone, welcome. If you've ever wanted to make money online but didn't know where to start, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through a practical roadmap to help you earn your very first $1,000 online. And as I go through this, I'll be referencing and expanding on the powerful strategies inside the ebook 30-Day Challenge. Earn your first $1,000 online. If you want the full blueprint, the link is in the description. And trust me, you'll want to grab your copy after hearing what I'm about to share. There's something special about that first $1,000. It's not just about the money, it's about proving to yourself that you can actually generate income on your own terms. It builds confidence and shows you that this whole make money online thing is real. Before we talk about freelancing, digital products, or affiliate marketing, we need to talk about mindset. Because without the right mindset, every opportunity you try will feel like it's slipping through your fingers. In the ebook, it is stressed how important it is to treat this like a real challenge. You need to set realistic expectations and accept that there will be setbacks. The people who make it online aren't the ones who never face obstacles. They're the ones who push through anyway. Here's a quick exercise you can start with today. Write down why you want to make your first $1,000 online. Is it to pay off debt? Save for a trip? Prove to yourself that you can do it? That why will keep you going when things get tough. And remember, inside the ebook, you'll find mindset hacks, motivational strategies, and ways to overcome doubt and fear. Think of it as your daily mental gym while you're on this challenge. That's exactly why this ebook was designed as a 30-day challenge. 30 days, one clear target, $1,000. It gives you urgency and focus, two things most beginners lack. And throughout this video, I'll give you some of those same steps so you can get started right away. But here's the thing, the video you're watching is like the highlight reel. The ebook is the full playbook, with examples, exercises, and daily tasks that will keep you on track. So if you're serious about hitting that milestone, make sure you download it after this. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is chasing every trend they see online. Dropshipping today, crypto tomorrow, and TikTok ads the next. The result? No progress. Instead, you need to identify your strengths. What are you good at? Writing, design, sales, teaching, organization? Your skills are your fuel. In the ebook, it walks you through exercises that help you uncover both your obvious skills and the hidden ones you might not realize can make money. Once you know your strengths, you can start looking at niches. That's where you combine what you're good at with what people are willing to pay for. For example, if you're good at writing, freelance copywriting is a natural start. If you love design, you could create and sell digital products. If you're great at talking to people, affiliate marketing or coaching could be your lane. The ebook dives deeper with market research techniques, including how to spot gaps in demand so you're not just competing, but actually standing out. Let's talk money. There are dozens of ways to make income online, but when your goal is $1,000 in 30 days, you need to focus on strategies that can actually pay quickly. Here are 4 of the best ones. Freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you start today. You offer a skill, complete small projects, and get paid directly. Many beginners hit their first $1,000 in freelancing faster than anywhere else. Affiliate marketing. You promote products, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's low risk and works well if you're active on social media or can create simple content like blogs or videos. Selling digital products. This could be an ebook, a printable, or a simple online course. Digital products are powerful because you create them once and sell them unlimited times. E-commerce, selling physical products online through Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. While this often takes more setup, it's still a great way to earn fast if you pick the right product. Now, inside the ebook, it breaks these down step by step, including how to set up your first offer, price it correctly, and market it. This is where the real detail is. So if any of these methods sound like a fit for you, the link in the description is where you'll find your roadmap. Making money online isn't just about skills, it's about visibility. People need to find you, trust you, and want to buy from you. That's why building your online presence is a major focus in the ebook. You'll learn how to create a simple, professional website, even if you're not tech savvy. Leverage social media platforms to connect with your audience. Network with like-minded people so opportunities come to you. For example, imagine you're a freelance writer. You can set up a simple one-page site with samples of your work, then use LinkedIn or Twitter to connect with potential clients. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to show people that you're serious and capable. Again, the ebook gives you templates and examples, so you're not guessing what professional should look like. Here's the truth. You can have the best service, product, or idea in the world. But if nobody knows about it, you won't make a dime. That's why marketing is non-negotiable. Some beginner-friendly marketing strategies include posting valuable content on social media, using email marketing to stay in touch with people who show interest, crafting clear messages that focus on benefits, not just features. For example, if you're selling an online course, don't just say, "My course has 10 modules." Instead, say, "My course will help you go from confused to confident in building your first income stream." That's benefit-focused marketing. In the ebook, I provide scripts, message frameworks, and examples you can model, so you're never stuck on what to say to potential clients or customers. One of the biggest reasons people fail is not because they don't know what to do, but because they don't manage their time. Life gets in the way, and before you know it, weeks pass without progress. That's why inside the ebook, it includes daily schedules, prioritization strategies, and productivity hacks like the Pomodoro technique. By following them, you'll know exactly what to do each day to keep moving closer to $1,000. Even in this video, I want you to start simple. Carve out at least one focused hour every day for your online work. No distractions, no excuses. 1 hour a day consistently is better than 8 hours once a week. If you don't track it, you can't improve it. That's why you need to set milestones and measure what's working. For example, if you're freelancing, track how many proposals you send, how many replies you get, and how many jobs you land. If you're selling products, track how many visitors come to your store versus how many buy. The ebook gives you tools and worksheets to measure these things easily. When you see your progress, you'll stay motivated. And when something isn't working, you'll know exactly what to adjust. Let's be real, there will be setbacks. Maybe a client disappears, maybe your product doesn't sell right away, maybe you just feel overwhelmed. The difference between success and failure is how you respond. In the ebook, it gives you practical strategies to handle setbacks, stay resilient, and keep going. Here's the mindset shift. Every setback is just feedback. It's not failure, it's data. You learn, adjust, and move forward stronger. Finally, don't forget to celebrate along the way. Your first $10, your first sale, your first client, those are huge. They're proof that you're on the right path. And once you hit that $1,000, don't stop there. Use it as a launch pad. Inside the ebook, it shows you how to scale, diversify your income streams, and turn that first $1,000 into $5,000, $10,000, or more. So let's recap. Your first $1,000 online is absolutely possible, and you now know the roadmap. Focus on your mindset, identify your strengths, pick a proven income stream, build your presence, market effectively, manage your time, and track your progress. But here's the thing. What I gave you today is just the surface. The real transformation happens when you have a structured plan to follow every single day for 30 days. That's what the ebook, 30-Day Challenge, Earn Your First $1,000 Online, delivers. It's not just theory, it's a step-by-step challenge that holds you accountable and shows you exactly what to do. So if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, click the link in the description and grab your copy right now. Your first $1,000 is waiting, and this ebook is the fastest way to get there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the challenge.